Hello all, I am Chandni Shah. Today we will be seeing the conversion and the miscellaneous SQL functions. Conversion function to number. It converts character or varchar to number data type. To character. It converts a numerical value to character data type using optional format. A format should be either a valid numerical format consisting of 0, 9 and comma. It is also used alternatively to convert date to character. If format is omitted, the default type of date, that is DD, month, YY, is used. To date. It converts a character value to date value with specified format. If the format is omitted, the default DD, month, YY is used. Let us check the queries. As you can see, select to number. A number specified as a character, that is in string, from dual is converted to number by using to number data type. Similarly, select to character, say any numeric in the specified format, converts the number into character format as shown, that is say 01, 23, 456. This is the same format which was specified in the query. Select to character sysdate from dual. It converts the date into the character format. Similarly, I can specify my own format. Like here I have given DDMMYY. So the date is converted to character in DDMMYY format. Similarly, select to date converts the character data type to date data type. Miscellaneous function UID. It returns an integer value corresponding to user ID of user currently logged in. User. It returns username of the user currently logged in. Greatest. The list of expression. It will return the largest expression from among all. List. The list of expression. It will return the least expression. Decode. It is similar to if-else use in any programming language. The example will make the use of decode more clear. NVL exp1, exp2. It returns exp1 if exp1 is not null, otherwise it returns exp2. vsize exp. It returns the storage size of expression in Oracle. Let us check the queries. As you can see, when I give select UID from dual, it returns the user ID, that is 62. Similarly, select user from dual, it returns the user name, that is Chandni. When I give select greatest, the list of expression, it will return the largest expression, that is say 67 in our case. Similarly, the least function returns the least value, that is 1 in our case. Now let us explore the decode function. Decode function, the first argument is value, that is the argument we are looking for checking in the if-else condition is SATUR, that is Saturday. Then I check if it is Sunday, then display holiday. If it is Saturday, then display half day, otherwise display full day. So when I fire this query, the value is Saturday and so the output is displayed as half day. So this is similar to if-else programming construct. Next function NVL. When I give select NVL 5, 10, 5 is a not null value, so output is displayed as 5. But when I give NVL null, 4, the second argument, that is 4, is displayed. If I give NVL null, null, no output is displayed. The next function vsize. When I give select vsize 25, it will display me its size, that is 2. Similarly for India, that is 5, and 90.87, that is 3. These are our references. Thank you.